Welcome. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to format your document in order to be according to MLA standards. This is for my 965 class of reading and writing. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft Word. I have it on my dock here, but I can also find it in my applications. So here's Microsoft Word. So now that I've opened it, I want to go and get a blank document. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, most likely it won't have the MLA format already done. So we have to make a few changes before we start typing. The first thing is we need to change the font, and it should be in Times New Roman. The next thing we need to do is change the size, and the size should be 12-point font. Here we have that already finished. The other thing we need to do is we need to put the margins in 1 inch all around. So we'll go to Layout and then we go to Margins. Now we see here that the margins already are at normal with 1 inch on top, 1 inch on bottom, and 1 inch left and right. I can change it if I want to, but for MLA papers we have to have it in 1 inch. Then I need to double space this document. There are two ways you can do this. The first one is to come over here to where you see these lines and the two arrows, and you would bring it to 2.0. That'll be double spaced. The other thing you can do is go to Format at the top of where it says Word, and then you go to Paragraph. And once you open that, you're going to see line spacing. And you want to put that at double spaced. Your spacing before and after should be at 0 point. Okay, so now it's time to write. The first thing we need to write on the upper left hand corner is our name. So I'm just going to give an example name. And then the next thing is going to be the professor's name. So let's imagine this paper is for Professor Anita Gill. The next thing is the name of the class. So for this one, it's going to be for our ESL 965 class. It's very important to put your class information there because let's say, for example, your teacher is not very organized and mixes up papers for several classes. This way, the teacher knows exactly which class the paper goes to. And then finally, we need to give the full date of the day. And we have to spell it out. Okay, this should be that day's date. Now I'm going to press Enter, and I'm going to make my title. It can be about whatever the topic is for your paper for your teacher. Then you want to go back to the left side, press Tab, and start to write your paper. Okay, so I could keep writing and start writing my paper now, but now you see how to format in MLA format. This is very, very important to learn and to practice and to do in whatever version of Microsoft Word you have, because this is a requirement in almost all college and university classes. They will want to see it in MLA format. Of course, whenever you finish, you must make sure to press Save and to save your work regularly or you could lose it. Thank you so much for watching this video.